beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most awaited, requested pick a card reading. What's going to happen next for you this week? This is a charms reading, friends. So here are we back with this reading, and this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is for this week, but you can watch it anytime. It will still help you out and resonate with you. Friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And how are you all? How are you doing? Let me know in the comment section how you all are doing. What's happening in your side? What's in your side of the place where you are? How are you all? I am super excited for this reading. This is for the week of 26th of October to the 1st of November. And astrologically, this is a loaded week. Yes, friends, it is quite a busy week. In fact, astrologically, we have a blue moon coming up on the 30th of October. So get ready. It's going to be a big week. Yes, friends. And Venus will be shifting into Libra, and that will remain for the month. So it will be a good change for all of us, because Venus in Libra means some space and some fun in relationships, and Mercury retrograde will be moving into Libra. So yes, communications will get slightly better. So some good news already from astrology. Let's take a deep breath. I know you can't wait, neither can I. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, this beautiful snow. There's a snowman also. Option number 2, sunshine. Option number 3, the wind. Is it windy where you are? So relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly go there and skip to your choice. You can also choose more than one, friends. Yes, you can choose more than one option. You can also pause the video if you need more time in choosing and making your choices. So let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful snow card, let's see how this week will be for you. This is your advice. Oh my god, sorry friends, this is your extra. That was quite a jump actually. I think it's going to be a jumpy week, exciting week. I think so for you. This is your advice for the moon, full moon. Let's see what else. Your oracle cards. We have lots of things today. We have also the charms at the end of this reading. Here is my bag of charms. Let's see, friends. The King of Wands, the Page of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. Oh my god, the Seven of Cups. Ooh, the World. My god, friends, you are in for an amazing week. This is this is a wonderful week for you. I see your focus is mostly on work this week, because you are very, very focused on your work, on your career, on your future, on making some money or learning something new or starting something new. That is your focus this week, friends. Most of you are thinking about your life, your future, your work, your career. You also are thinking about some decisions this week, some choices are there. I feel some of you want to change your career, or some of you want to change where you are working right now. Some of you want to start something new in your job or career or in your life probably. Yes, a lot of thinking is going on for you, a lot of excitement also. It's a busy week. It's a busy week, friends. I see you on your toes all throughout the week, and very active, very busy. Your mind is very active. Emotionally also, you are very busy. You are very passionate about something this week. I also feel, friends, some of you are, some of you are or you want some new friendships, or you want some support regarding your work or career or your love life. I think you are looking for support this week. I don't know, support in the sense like somewhere you want some helpful friendships or someone who can help you out in some way. Yes, it is coming your way, friends, and I feel it is for both love and work. Someone is coming who will help you out this week. I do feel a new exciting opportunity coming for you. Maybe it is like your crush might say hello to you and you are like, oh my god, they said hello. So a lot of excitement is there, but there are also choices in this week, friends, so get ready. Some decisions are there, and I also feel some of you are waiting for things to move forwards, like some news, some message to come towards you regarding work or your education. I do feel it will be coming favorably for you. The news you are waiting for, the messages, yes, it will be coming. And I do also feel that some of you are having issues with people around you. Probably people are being very arrogant, people are not helping you out in work and in your love life or family. People are not understanding you, but I feel this week you will find relief there. You will find people who are understanding you, or who they will start valuing you. People will start valuing you. You might be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person this week, friends. Yes, you could be these sun signs. So, a lot of people are also important for you this week. A lot of people are important. But the main thing is that people are coming towards you with the heart of helping you out, with the intention of supporting you. So that's a good news. I do feel some of you want to go somewhere else. You are just so fed up, you want this snow, you want to go somewhere where it's snowing or where it is sunny, or you just want to go somewhere else. I don't know why. You want to travel, you want to break free, you want to just break free. You want to also step out of this, situation that you are in. I don't know, it could be different for all of you. Like for some of you, it is like you want to leave that job. For others, it is you want vacations. For others, it is you want some change in your love life. You want some excitement. So, friends, you are desperate for change this week. You want some excitement. You're craving. It is coming. It is absolutely coming. And I see money coming your way. So, congratulations, friends. Money is coming your way. Excitement is coming your way. And I see you will be working to expand something in your life. You are working on a career, on a new goal, or a new hobby. You will be expanding it. You will be valuing it. In love, I feel like, there is some, you are confused about your love life. A lot of confusions are happening. I feel there is a situation which is in no contact right now, which has ended for you. Or I also feel like um, someone has not been cooperating with you in your love life. This person, your divine masculine, your twin flame, or your lover, your husband, your wife, someone was not valuing you in the past, but I see them changing, or some change coming in them this week. So someone who was not valuing you in your love life is going to value you this week or in the coming weeks ahead. So it is a good change in them. It is a shift that is happening. I also feel some of you, if you are single, you are attracting a beautiful, amazing young person, or an exciting person towards you. They could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. So something is coming your way. I think someone might drop a compliment to you or say hi, someone you like, and it's going to make you feel excited. But your boundaries are still high. Even though people want you, people are coming towards you, pile number one, you will still be in this work mode. I don't care. You are in this mode of work. You are working. Your focus is on career. You are choosing yourself, friends, this week. You are very powerful, extremely powerful. I also feel, friends, that, this week, uh, something will become clear about your family also. I feel there is a lot of struggle going on in your family, like ego issues in your marriage, or in family within parents and children, or in family members. So there is a lot of ego issues going on. I think you will find relief there. You will find a lot of relief, so don't worry. Let's see your extra oracle messages. Rest and rejuvenation, number 19. I do feel this is a very busy week for you, especially with the new moon and choices and decisions and your work keeping you busy and your love life, people wanting to talk to you, people needing your time. So you're a busy person this week. So make sure to get some extra rest and relaxation. I do feel there is a chance of, someone will behave egoistically to you. I have to be honest here, friends. Someone will try to be egoistic, or someone wants to dominate you this week, but I don't think they will be able to, because you have chosen yourself. This is from someone from your past who will want to try to reach out to you, but you won't choose them. They will try to spoil your mood, or there is an egoistic person, friends, around you this week, and they might try to ruin your peace of mind. Don't let them, because you are extremely powerful this week. You can choose who will disturb your peace of mind, and I think nobody can until you say yes. And it's your powerful week. Look at that. It is your power this week. So no one else can shine better. Let's see what else. Community, number 7. I do feel you are going to find supportive friendships. The focus is more on work, on friendships, on building new connections at work, getting along with people. And I do feel, you might be learning something, making some craft or learning some music. Some choices are there. You also figuring out this week what you need to do regarding your work, your education, and your love life, or your life's direction. There are big questions on your mind. Some of you want to change a city, or maybe you want to change work, work decisions and career decisions. If you are a student, you want to go abroad, you want to go somewhere else, but you don't know how to do that. It will resolve by this week. You will get the clarity you need. I also feel, friends, you need to stay careful, because you are doing very well this week. So people will try to bring you down. This is a repeating theme from last week. So don't let other people stop you. Focus on who is helping you out and move ahead with that. I also feel some of you are confused regarding your past or ex lover or a twin flame. If they are not behaving well, friends, choose yourself. I would say that. Let's see your advice, then we'll look into the charms. So for your advice for this week is contemplation time. Wow, that's interesting. You have rest and relaxation, both from two different decks. Spend time alone meditating upon what you truly desire. See, your focus is mostly on your life path, your direction, your goals, your work, your education, what you need to do next. So take some time, friends. Take some time this week to think about what you need to do next, or what you want to do next, because I feel there are a lot of people advising you. Your family is saying one thing, your lovers are saying one thing, there are also people who are saying a lot. But this is your week. Take some time and make your own choices. Don't let others affect you. I also feel gossip is there, friends, around you. I see gossip is there, and you should not let that affect your peace of mind. You are more stronger, you are above all that, and that is why they are gossiping about you. So friends, get ready. You have to behave like this snowman. Snowmans are so cute. Why? Because they are in snow and they are made of snow, and yet they are happy. They give fun, they give joy, happy vibes to the kids and everyone around. So that's how you got to be happy, because you are doing absolutely fantastic. Let's see your blue moon advice, the full moon advice. It is time to take action. New moon in Aries. That's beautiful. I think, friends, it is time for you to decide what you need to do and take action. I would say don't make a very risky move, but start something like small, and you will you will be successful. You will get the success. Not starting or not taking action will lead you to frustrations this week. So act. Don't just think, but act. Let's see your chance. Quite a powerful week for you, friends. You are strong. You are very strong. Pile number one. How the week will be for pile number one. Ooh, attachment. Someone is very attached to you, friends. I was feeling that. Look at it. I don't know why they always come out face down. Maybe they are shy, these charms, maybe they are shy. Shy charms. They are shy. Ooh, DV. So the letters which are important for you are DEV and V. So maybe it's a name for someone, Dave or Ved, it can be a name for some of you. Maybe this person's name that you are dealing with. The alphabets are VED and VE. So it's quite interesting. Two V's have come here. It also makes weed if you make it a W, so that is also there. Wow, very interesting. So you have the apple. I think you are, this is your time to make yourself a priority. This is your week to make yourself the priority. Don't listen to others. Don't let others bring you down. Don't let their, distractions stop you. Believe in yourself. Eat healthy, take some rest, and make yourself a priority. The red house, it is about you being passionate. Passion is coming your way, friends. Something exciting will happen, or you will feel excited this week because Mars retrograde will be ending, or has ended. So this will affect your motivation levels. You will feel very excited. And hello, I'm a bad idea. And look what is attached with this. The mother. Okay. Oh my God. And December. Wow, that's interesting. Hello, I'm a bad idea. So you might be attracting a new person in your life, or a crush might say hi, or someone you find are toxic to you, or you don't like them. They are quite egoistic. They are quite a show-offy person. They are coming for you this week, and they might be related to your mother, or they are related to this person has some mother issues. I don't know, but they are related to your mother or mother issues. This, or maybe this is the person, your ex-husband or wife. They could be that also. December is important for some of you. Let's see the numbers first. So number 19 is important. So number 19 is important for you. It also makes the number 10, 9 plus 1. So 1 is also important for you. Wow, umbrella. I see, there is a chance of a sweet romance or a sweet meeting or a conversation happening for you, friends, this week. The umbrella reminds me of a sweet romance or sweet love or a sweet conversation happening. And I also feel you are someone will want to protect you. This three of pentacles, someone wants to work with you, someone wants to protect you. It could be a friend, it could be someone you are working with, so they want to protect you this week. And look at that, there is a fish, Pisces, a fish on a fish bone on this. Two fishes are here on this medal. So emotions are high. Also, something from the past might be bothering you this week, or someone from the past might come back and try to bother you, so stay careful. Hello, I'm a bad idea is here. And you also have the attachment. Yes, someone is very attached to you, friends, and you are also very attached to them. So don't worry, things are safe and things will work out. Someone wants to work things out, cooperate with you. They want to fix things with you. I think you also want to fix your career. You are just fed up of your career and your education. You want some excitement there. Mobile phone. Oh my God. So someone, I think you will be on your mobile or on your phones talking and making some sweet love probably. A lot of talks, a lot of notifications. Maybe you'll start working on your phones or through your phones. You are learning something. I do see someone is going to message you, and someone who is very attached to you, someone who was very egoistic in the past. You have the angel wings, so you are very blessed, friends. You are extremely blessed. Don't worry. You are very protected. And look, you have this spinning wheel, so things are moving forward for you. You see, like life is stuck, things are not moving forward. You have some confusions, decisions to make. But friends, this week things are moving forward for you, so don't worry. And let's see. Oh my god, the ex is here. Oh my god, friends, some of your exes are gonna call you. I don't think so. You should take it. Maybe it's your choice. Be careful. They can destroy your peace of mind. Also, forgive the past. I do feel you need to forgive them. Star, your wishes are coming true. Ace of Cups, a new offer of love. Yes, someone new is coming. A new friendship, a new proposal. Healer, yes, you are a healer. Some of you are planning to become healers. Some of you are working to heal your heart or to become a reiki practitioner or something. Yes, you're on the right path. 7 of Wands, don't give up. You can achieve what you want. 4 of Wands, yes, some of you are looking for marriage. Some of you are single, you want to get married and you are confused, will you ever get married? I think you will, because you have the stars, so you're on the right path. Just be aware of the bad ideas, the wrong frogs. You might have kissed a few frogs before you find your prince, but be careful, mother. So your mother might be important. I told you, friends, some issues are happening in the family, ego issues. So you might have, if your mother was not getting along well with you, things might get better there. There will be healing. Let's see what else. We have the doves, forgiveness. Yeah, forgive someone from the past and forgive yourself also. 5 of Air, someone has ghosted you, friends. Someone has. I also feel someone might be talking behind your back, so be careful about that. Prince of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. December might be important for you, friends, yes. And 10 of Wands, you are very busy. You're very busy, friends, so make sure to get some rest, rejuvenate, have some power drinks, maybe have some tea, or I don't know what powers you up. Have that drink, some tea or maybe some herbs. Use that. Stay powerful. It is a powerful, positive week for you, and I wish you a very happy week. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. This is bye for now. Hi, beautiful angels. For those who chose option number 2, this beautiful sunshine, let's see how this week will be for you. This is a charms reading. I have my bag of charms here. So let's see. This is your advice for the week. This is your moon message. We have a full moon this week. So, yes, extra messages. Let's see. Ooh, the star. Ace of Cups. Wow. Wow, wow. Wowie, wowie. The Hanged Man, ooh. The 10 of Pentacles, the 9 of Swords, and the Chariot. And the 8 of Wands. Wow, interesting. Friends, first things I would say is that your week is very fast. This week is going to go by like this without you even realizing it is over. It's gone. It will be gone. So get ready, get mindful, get aware, get conscious. Whew, busy week, friends. Busy week. Lot of communications, lots of talks happening this week. First things first, friend. I feel you are feeling very anxious right now. You are feeling very upset. Some of you are dealing with health issues, or you are struggling to make your health better or your mental health better. Some of you are dealing with depression, anxiety, worry, sleeplessness, and or you are dealing with a person who is experiencing these things. I think there is a situation in your life which is stuck right now. It is not moving anywhere, and it's stuck since like 3 months, 6 months, 10 months, and you are frustrated. You're absolutely frustrated with it. I also feel some of you are frustrated with your family situation. Maybe it is your marriage or your parents or your in laws. You are a little frustrated with them, or something is stuck there, which is causing a lot of mental pressure for you, emotional pressure for you. But I see things resolving, friends. I see things will be resolving this week. So good news, because you chose the sunshine. So sun is going to shine for you. Yes. So friends, this week, this pause. You will start the week on a paused note, on a slow note, like it is again that things are bothering you, but as soon as the week starts, you will get a star moment, you will get an aha moment, you will get some clarity. I also feel a spiritual insight or sign or divine message will come, which will change your perception about life, or how something is stuck. I think something is going to change gears, Something is going to shift this week, and I feel it is in your love life or relationships. I also feel it could be about your money, like how you can make more money, how you can if you are in business, what you can do to enhance your business, be more successful. So the main thing is something that is stuck this week, it will resolve and it will start to move forward again, and it will bring you happiness, it will bring you a lot of joy, it will bring you also peace. I also feel some of you are trying to heal from a heartache. Some of you have been dealing with a heartache, you have ended a toxic relationship or some marriage. So you are dealing with heartache, but I see you recovering from it, friends. I see you getting better. I see you feeling a lot of self love and happiness and satisfaction with yourself. I also feel this is your week of creativity. You'll be very creative. You want to read a lot this week. You want to create a lot, your ideas. You have a lot of ideas this week, what you can do, what to do, what not to do. Lot of ideas. I also feel your heart might overflow with love for someone, friends. Yes, you are going to feel so connected to someone or some job or some hobby of yours. Your heart is going to burst open. It just look at that. Look at this. Your heart, your heart is full of love this week, friends. I also feel that some of you might cry a little this week, not because you are sad or unhappy, but because your heart is full of love for someone. You have found a new realization that how much you love somebody. So your heart will, you will cry because happy tears, like, oh my god, we love them so much. It is another realization. I also feel, friends, someone who was stuck, who was not able to see this connection from your past, or someone you are currently dealing with, that person is going to have a shift in their mind, and this person is going to they are going to reconnect how much they love you, and it is going to change them how much they love you. Someone's heart is also bursting open with love for you, and it is going to change things. It will change this stuck energy, it will change this anxiety, it will change this nothing is happening, things will happen, the family will unite, the hearts will meet. So this is your week of healing yourself and healing your love life, healing your finances. Oh my God, friends, this is a very powerful week for you. I also see you will be traveling this week, like maybe going out more often for shopping or for groceries, fruits. I also feel someone is coming towards you this week, maybe from long distance, from another city or country. They will call you, message you. There is an offer of love, spiritual love coming your way. You are going to feel a lot of love. Your emotions are very, tender, very ripe. Have you seen juicy fruits? How are they? They are very juicy, they are very yummy, they are full of yum yum. So that's how it is. Very, very nice week. And if you are a student, make sure, or a artist or someone about asking about work, friends, make sure to use your creativity, ideas are coming towards you, signs will be guiding you. So make sure to use it, imply it, and see communications. A lot of communications are coming your way. It is with work also. Some of you are waiting for that job letter or some clarifications or some emails you are expecting. Yes, they are going to come this your way. You'll be very excited. Things are moving forward. Yes. And it's a good week. Lots of love, self love, lots of love from someone else. Let's see, spiritual contract. Look at that, number 6. Yes, I do feel some of you might be getting the job that you need, or the contract, or the degree, or things will start moving in some way. You will find that yes, things will move ahead. So you will feel happy. You will feel happy. Oh my God, man holding a heart, number 45. Look at that. Oh my God, friends, I feel your heart is going to burst open with love. Firstly, for yourself. Firstly, you will fall in love with yourself, with your job, with your creativity, or your body. And secondly, there is someone else who is falling in love with you, darling. So, ooh, you have to tell me who is this. Very exciting, very exciting. Someone definitely is trying to woo you, someone will try to win you. I think this is a stuck situation that will shift. If you are single, someone new might try to contact you and they might share their heart for you. I also feel, friends, you will feel very connected with somebody, very connected. And maybe it is someone you have never met, someone you don't even know yet. So, a spiritual union is happening in the 5D for you. This is a very five-dimensional reading, friends. It is not about this 3D world. We are talking about the ooh la la 5D. So, yummy, yummy. I love it. I love this. And yes, if you are asking about work, yes, contract, money, news, messages coming. Yes, get ready, get moving. No more stuck energy. Let's see your advice. Oh my God. Oh my God, friends, synchronicity. Your prayers and questions are being answered by synchronistic events. Notice them in order to increase their flow. So, friends, make sure to pray or ask or visualize only what you want this week, because you are attracting everything you pray for. So, make sure you ask only good things. I know it is a tough job because but you ask for what you need, because you are going to get it. You have the star, wish is coming true. So make sure you ask for, if you are looking for money, ask for lots of money, you will get it. Your chances, your luck is good this week. Your luck is really good, and someone destined is crossing your path. Yes, let's see your full moon advice. Have faith in your dreams, waxing crescent moon. Yes, friends, things have started to shift for you positively. This is just the beginning. Have faith. Have faith in your dreams. You will achieve much more than you are seeing right now or in this week. You will get more success, more love also in the future. So have faith. Don't lose hope. Let's see your charms. Option number 2, how this week will be for option number 2. Ooh, I think something went there. It's a beat, drum beat. No alphabets are coming today. I don't know, very few alphabets. Maybe it's not an alphabety week. I don't know what that means, but yeah. Let's see, we got very few alphabets again. So we have P, A, J, and V. So very interesting. P, A, J, and V. Pi, it's a Finnish name. Maybe that's important. I don't know. You let me know if you can make any words out of it. I'm checking if there is some other extra. See, I knew it. I felt something was below them. Oh my God, the snowflake charm is stuck again in it. Oh my God, this always happens. No, it won't come out. I'll have to do it later on probably. So yeah, you have the J with the snowflake. So maybe J is important. Jake, or Jake, John, someone like that. Johnny. Let's see your numbers. Number 25 is important, and number 999 is important. Yeah, it's 999. That is also important. And you have the dark horse. I think something is in the dark for you which you can't see yet, but it is going to shift for you this week because you have the Ace of Cups, you have the Chariot, and the Star. So something is working for you, but which you can't see right now. It will happen in this week. Blue, pink hat, an offer of love is coming, friends. An offer, a loving offer, or maybe a sweet gesture is coming, a romantic date or something. Pearl, you are, someone really likes you, friends. Someone is very much in love with you, and you will meet them this week, or you will reunite with them. Wow, you have the heart. I feel, this week is about your heart. Your heart is healing, your emotions are healing, your health is getting better, your finances are healing. Healing is the mantra for you. I heal, and whatever I do heals. So, yes, healing is happening for you in all areas of your life. Something is going to happen which will make you, ooh, blushy, blushy, smiley, smiley. So, yes, get ready. Oh, interesting. I felt, when I picked this card, I felt the BTS. So I think someone is going to fall in love with BTS even more. Your heart is going to open wider. I also feel, friends, you could be dealing with a musician, an artist, or a poet, a writer. Music is important this week. I also feel someone who is from the music, media, social, creative field will be coming towards you. If you are from that field, get ready, friends. Your connection with your craft, your creativity will increase. You have the star. I do feel this is about love, though. Someone who is a musician will find you, or they have a crush on you. Synchronicity, things are going to work. It is destined for you. This could be a celebrity, this could be BTS, or someone who looks like them. I feel maybe there is a chance they might reply you or comment you, or they might say they love you. So get ready, friends, anything can happen. This is 2020. This is the dog. I do feel you are very loyalty is important for you, friends. You want loyalty from people. You just love won't do. This is the yellow bead, and this reminds me of staying positive, because you have a lot of stress and anxiety. I would suggest you to think happy thoughts this week because you see this, your prayers are being answered by synchronistic events. So, what you're praying for is happening. So, make sure you stay positive. Mushroom, ooh, a lot of sexual attraction. You are going to attract someone. Someone is attracted towards you, or you are attracting someone. Oh my god, there is a lot of passion, there is a lot of emotion, there is a lot of sexual chemistry, there is a lot of love. Your heart is overflowing. Yes, friends. Oh my god, sorry, friends. This is also, this orange beat is about creativity. This is for the sacral chakra, the second chakra. It is about, beauty. It is about finding beauty, finding love again, feeling that happiness, feeling the sense of joy again. So that is what it means. One of Cups, One of Cups. Wow, you have the same charm. You also have the same card. Romance, new proposals, messages, love, stuck situations moving forward. Two of Coins. You will have to balance this week. Your work is asking you, your love is moving forward. So things are getting busy. Get ready, Venus. Yes, see the beauty in life, friends. Focus on the beautiful things in life. October is important. Yes, something may have ended in October which caused you a lot of pain. Someone hurted you, some situation was stuck, but it will move forward in, no, this week. Or in November, I feel Five of Coins. Yeah, someone has hurted you. You feel money is not coming your way as much as it should. Five of Cups, disappointment. Someone is missing you, friends. Someone is missing you. They want you back. King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person could be missing you. Four of Cups. Yes, you are also missing them. They are also missing you. One of air, messages are coming, breakthroughs are coming. Twins, yeah. You could, if you are looking for pregnancy or getting, a baby, yes, chances are good this week. You have the mushrooms here, yes. For others of you, a twin flame is coming or reuniting with you. Cow, take care of yourself, friends. Be your mother, be your best friend. This is about taking self-care. Givers, yes, friends, you give a lot. Look at you, look at you, you are a giver. You are a giver, so make sure to protect yourself and be there for yourself. Eagle, wow. Friends, some eagles are, I think eagle here means that they have a very sharp eyesight. Eagles, in this spread, what I see right now. So something, is coming your way. You have to be very conscious and you have to be alert. Some situation is coming, maybe at work or in love. You have to grab it before it goes away. So, be alert, be ready. And water, yeah, emotions are high. This is a very emotional, happy emotional week for you. You might cry, friends. You might cry. I feel that. Happy tears. Money, yes, friends, money is coming your way. Financial healing is happening. Don't worry. Let's see the one more. August, yeah. So August might be important, or someone might be born in August, or October is also here. So that is for now, friends. I hope this reading resonated with you and you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. For those who chose option number 3, the wind, let us see how this week will be for you. Is it windy where you are? Are you longing for some wind? Let's see what is going to happen. This is your advice. This is your extra message from the angel for the blue moon. This is your oracle. Let's see. Since the theme is moon, I'm using these cards. Moon theme. Let's see how your week will be. I'll be pulling the charms also. So yes, get ready. The Nine of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, oh my God, the King of Pentacles, wow, the Six of Pentacles, money. What's your price tag, baby? The Ten of Cups, the Hermit, oh my God, the Four of Pentacles, antisocial week, friends, for you. I feel like that. Oh my God, you are focused on money. You are focused on working yourself, on working on your career. Very much like pile one, but your focus is even better than pile one. It's similar that they are thinking about changing their work and career. Your focus is very clear. You want money. You are working on it. You will not settle for anything less this week. Oh my God, friend. I think you should go and hear the song Price Tag. I keep forgetting. I love that song and I always forget who has sung that song. Um, Jesse, I just forgot. I think I don't want to say the incorrect name. It's not fair to the artist. So go and listen to the song Price Tag because you want money. All your week is about money and about wisdom and knowledge. First things first, you are feeling like money is not coming your way, success is not coming your way, and you are absolutely frustrated. You feel your luck is down, friends. You feel like 2020 has been the roughest year for you. Things are not working out. People are not giving you the money you need. People are not paying you well. The job is not coming. You are frustrated. But friends, this week you might, if you have already started a business or your own work, you will get very successful in it. So get ready. Money is coming your way. If you haven't started some work of your own, you might be doing some job. You will be getting more payments from there, more money from there. If you are not working, there is a chance of a job offer coming and money coming your way, friends. So get ready, get to work, get ready. I also feel, friends, this is also the week you must save some money because I see money is causing you a lot of worry. So It might be good for you to invest a little money or not overspend money, because it will make you frustrated, it will make you anxious. So don't worry, just keep money, don't, just keep invest the money, or don't overspend the money. Also, another thing is, you will be busy learning something, you will be busy perfecting some craft, some if you are a student, you will be busy studying, you will be busy learning something that you have already started, finishing an assignment, a project. I also feel some of you are feeling that things are in the dark, you don't know where you are going, you don't know what to do next about your career or money or your love life. Don't worry, things are going to resolve, you will find a breakthrough. Something is you feel like, you know what you want, but you don't know how to achieve it this week. But it is going to shift in this week because of the blue moon, because of the Mercury retrograde moving in Libra, and Mars coming out of, Mars is also in retrograde. So I think together it will all make you gain some clarity. You will find a clarity, the clarity that is missing from you this week, or from quite a long time. Something is missing. Like, how can you make more money? How can, why this person keeps treating me badly? Why? What is happening? What is the reason? You will find that some sort of a maturity, some sort of a clarity, and some sort of a leadership roles are coming for you. So get ready, friends, get ready. This is a busy week for you again. Yes, you will be busy, you will be doing two jobs or maybe handling two positions. I also see, if you are at work, at home, a housewife or something, you will still be doing a lot of work. There is too much on your plate. So get some rest also. There is a lot of things happening. You will be learning, you will be earning, you will be also doing some job. Also, I feel like in love, if you ask me, someone is not treating you right. Someone is not even giving you their time, their love, their appreciation. Someone is in the cave, not talking to you. I think some most of you are in no contact, or in a long distance relationship. Nothing is happening. This person just keeps sitting there without sharing how they feel. But I think, this person will, something will shift in this person. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or you could be the same signs: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel, friends, there is someone who is not telling you how much they love you, how much they value you, and how much they just can't live without you. That person is keeping an eye on you, and they are dreaming that when can they have this happy family with you? When will they have this happy home with you? This person is not at all telling you. We'll see more with the charms, but this is how it is. They are watching you, they are keeping an eye on you, they see you growing, but they are not telling you that they love you, they miss you, they want you. And I do see some of them may be messaging you. This person will be messaging you, but they will still try to hide their feelings, because you have the Four of Pentacles. They will still try to pretend like, yeah, it's just, hi, how are you? But they are missing you. There is someone who is missing you. They are keeping an eye on you. Even if you are single, this is someone you work with, your boss, your senior, or your, someone who is elder to you, someone you know from social media. They are seeing you. They love your pictures. They love the way you are. They want your time. They want your love, but they are stuck. I also feel, if you are in a third party situation, friends, things will get busy, some communications will open up, and you may see like this person will say that you were the ultimate home for them, so they made a mistake. You can hear those. I feel you will hear those words from someone. Third chakra, Archangel Samuel. This is beautiful, friends. The solar plexus. Yes, be confident, friends. Be bold. Believe in yourself. That is the mantra for you for this week. Believe in yourself. You are this Nine of Pentacles. You are this diva, or this, it's not about being a diva. You are very bold. You are very confident. You can achieve a lot. You need to believe in yourself. Don't doubt. If people are not treating you right, If life is not treating you right, that is life's problem. That is other people's problem. Your thing is you believe in yourself, you value yourself, and that is how you will do. Solar plexus. Your ego will be boosted. I mean, like the positive ego, not like the bad ego. Your confidence is boosted. I do see that your self image, your body, how you feel about yourself, that will improve this week. Action number 17. Yeah, I definitely feel, this is a busy week for you. You will be taking action for your money, extra income, extra jobs, and all those things. Some of you might be traveling for a meeting or for a project or for some, I don't know why. Are you traveling for a photo session, maybe a ceremony or wedding? I do see you traveling and getting your pictures being clicked there, some of you. So maybe it is a wedding that you are going for in this week. I also see maybe it is a birthday celebration or some achievement, some victory you are celebrating this week. Action. So take action, friends, take action. Someone also wants to come towards you. Someone who is in dark, who is not telling you how much they miss you. This person keeps going in and out of your life. They are realizing how much you value, how much they value you. They are realizing that. Let's see your advice. Friendship, make a date for a play with one or more friends. Wow, friendships are very important for you, friends, this week. And I do feel, yes, you want friendships rather than love. You also want people who can value you, who can understand you, and not waste your time. So I see basically you will either be alone this week or working on your career and work or your money, or you will be enjoying with a few close friends of yours, or maybe with a family, close family and friends. You will be going out on a picnic or a play date with friends, but with others who don't value you or appreciate you, you are not going to share. You are just not going to entertain those people because you are in this Nine of Pentacles energy. Let's see your moon advice. Oh my God, look at that. What a beautiful card. I love it. You are very close to achieving your goal. Wow, this is beautiful, friends. Yes, keep working, friends. Don't give up. I know things have been rough because you chose the wind. So things have been stormy in your life, but you're very close to achieving your goal, friends, so don't worry. And if you want to see something beautiful about a storm, you should see Stormy, Kylie or Kendall Jenner's daughter. Stormy, she's beautiful, she's super cute. I remember her because of the name Stormy. You might want to go and check out, or not all storms are bad, some are beautiful. You're very close to achieving your goal, friends. You're very, very close. This money, this success, this leadership roles, this person who should value you, they are coming, friends. They are coming. Stay relaxed. Let's see your charms. Pile number 3. I want to shuffle them. Pile number 3. What's happening for them this week? Oh, finally we got some more alphabets. We had very few. See? Travel, 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 travel. Wow, friends, you are traveling somewhere. Let me know where you are traveling. Wow. Hello, I'm yours. Oh my God, someone wants to just grab you and kiss you, I feel this week. Yes, someone is dying to tell you how much they love you. But I think ego is stopping this person. It's like, or maybe they are married or in some other relationship, so they can't just do anything, but they are looking at you and they are like, oh my God, there goes my queen, there goes my king. What am I supposed to do? Look at that. Mend. Wow, it makes the word mend. Someone wants to mend something with you. Ooh, interesting. MENDVE. So, yeah, those are your words. Anything else? Men are important. I think some of you are frustrated with men in general because they don't seem to value you or they see you are too independent. Oh my God. So, that might also be there. Uh, So Ved or Dave or Denny could be a name for some of you. Let's see your numbers. Number 66 is important for you. Number 6 is also important. Number 20 is important. So number 6, number 20 are important for you. You also have the aeroplane. So yes, someone from long distance is important, or maybe you are traveling somewhere for a wedding, for a marriage, or you are looking for work on in some other city or country or online. So yeah, travel is important. This I know I always say Spider-Man, so then you'll correct me. It's the Robin. I think someone, you are quite. You're this Spider-Man, you should not give up. You are very close to achieving your goal. Don't doubt yourself because you have the solar plexus. Are you doubting yourself? You will not become a millionaire. You will not be successful. Don't doubt yourself. Be like this hero or the superhero or the superheroine. You can do anything. You are very, very close. You also have the, oh my god, look at that. The soulmate got stuck in this wheel of fortune. So, friends, money is coming your way. Luck, your wheel is turning. Things are moving forward for you. And you also have the moon bead. So something is hidden, friends. Something is very confusing. I think some person keeps behaving in a confusing way with you, and also some situation regarding money is confusing you, but stick to it. Don't give up because you are close to achieving your goal. Angel wing is there, so yes, things you are protected, you are safe. The leaf, let go of extra worries, let go of worries. And look at that, blush, blush. Something will happen which will make you blush this week or make you happy this week. Also, this purple bead is about your mind, your intuition. So listen to your mind, listen to your intuition. Knight of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Money, see, money is a big theme for you. I told you, money, money, money. You got a price tag, baby. Green, yeah, green is about healing, friends. Yes, your financial worries will heal. Relax, friends. Don't worry so much about finances. Three of air. Three of air, someone has hurt you, friends. Someone has definitely hurt you and they are ghosted. They have ghosted you or they are distant. They are not sharing. But, things will, I think some healing will happen. The Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Eight of Cups, oh my God, you are disappointed. You had to, maybe you had to end a relationship, or you had moved on from a relationship, or someone moved on from you, but now they want to come back this week, or they are thinking about you. Family, yeah, you are also disappointed a little bit by your family, but I see family reunion or harmony coming in your family. I know I have to do a bigger card about family. Don't worry, I am working on it. Prince of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important. Soulmate, yeah, a soulmate is coming for you this week. Two of Airs, and you have the Two of Pentacles also. You are confused about a person. Someone is very confusing to you, this lover. You're very confused about them. You don't know how to deal with them. Sometimes they are like this. Sometimes they are very much in love with you. Sometimes they are just gone, never seen. Hope, stay hopeful, friends. Things are going to work out for you. March is important for some of you. And February, so February and March is important for some of you. There is another charm here. Ooh, interesting. The elephant. Look at that, the tiny elephant. So, friends, the elephant is about, family. So, family healing will happen, friends. Don't worry. Some of you are trying to. You may go out on a date with friends or family. It will bring you happiness because elephants live in large families. And oh, I just realized I have elephants here. Can you see that? I hope you can. They are beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. I have elephants, a mama elephant and a baby elephant. So elephants are about family. So unions, family, spending time with groups, with friends, with family. It's a great week for you, friends. Believe in yourself and don't give up. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday or click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye.